What's up guys, welcome back to the hack show. Today I'm gonna be showcasing a method that you can utilize to install Cydia on your iPhone, iPad, iPod touch absolutely free, running iOS 12.3.1. So without further ado, let's get right into. So guys, the first thing is first, as you guys see, I will put the link in the description for the website of Cydia to be installed. So guys, you need to just type in the website name, and after that it will promote you to the install Cydia profile. Now just go to install the Cydia profile. Now just go to setting, general profile and device manager, and and install the profile. So guys, this is basically a method to install Cydia on your iPhone, iPad, iPod touch absolutely free, running iOS 12.3.1. So guys, you can see as I have installed Cydia on iOS 12.3.1. So thank you guys for liking and watching my video. I will catch you in the next video.